Hello guys, it's Mrs. L again. We're going to do week 4 snack, under the sea graham crackers. Now I love graham crackers. My grandfather would bring me a box every week when he'd come to visit on the weekend. They were great. So, let's read our ingredients. Graham crackers, we have them. Graham cracker crumbs in a bowl. We're going to make them with our graham crackers. Goldfish, sprinkles, frosting, and we have food coloring, but we're only going to use the blue. Sorry guys. Our instructions, so let's read through them. Take 10 drops of blue coloring and dip into the white icing. Turn that off a minute. Thank you. Okay, instructions. Take 10 drops of blue coloring and dip into the white frosting. Mix until frosting becomes blue. Take 1 graham cracker and smash it up in a bowl to make crumbles. Step 3, take 1 graham cracker using a spreader or a butter knife. Spread blue frosting on almost all the cracker, but leave the very top of the graham cracker frosting free. Step 4, place the bottom of the frosted graham cracker into the bowl with graham crackers crumbs, covering just the bottom of the graham crackers with the crumbs, or sand it's going to be. You can sprinkle extra crumbs on if needed. Add 2 goldfish crackers, then give each goldfish 2 air bubbles using the white sprinkles. Optional decorations include seaweed and a crab. To make the seaweed, use several long green sprinkles and arrange them to look like seaweed. To make a crab, use red sprinkles and several long red sprinkles as legs and arrange them to look like a crab. I think that'll be optional. You guys can do that if you want to, but we'll see when we get to the end. Okay, first we need something to set our graham crackers on. You can use some foil. I'm going to use some wax paper or a plate, whatever's easier for you to do or what you have at home. So we got our wax paper. And the first thing we're going to do is get our icing, vanilla frosting. I'm going to open it. So you have your little tab up here. So face it towards you and then pull backwards. It's the easiest way to open that container. But I don't think I want to use this whole container, so what I'm going to do, I have a bowl. I'm just going to take some of the frosting out, maybe about half of it, because I don't want to waste it. So we've got about 3 or 4 tablespoons of icing. So next we're going to get our blue food coloring out. And we're going to put 10 drops in. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, 10. So Then you're gonna mix it all up. Does it look like the ocean, guys? Keep mixing. How's it look, guys? Does it look like the ocean? I wish I was on the beach by the ocean. I love to listen to the water and the smell of suntan lotion. Okay, so we have our icing all mixed up. It's a nice blue. And let's open our graham crackers. Be careful so that they don't go all over. Well, maybe I should have got the scissors out, huh? If you got some graham crackers that are broken, I'd use those. So it says take 1 graham cracker and put it in a bowl. But what I do at home is if I have a baggie, I put it in there and I don't close it tight, but I just kind of hold it this end up so they don't go all over, and I'm just going to take my hand and smash, smash, smash. Or you can take a spoon and hit it. But we just want to make crumbles. So it looks like sand on the beach. At home, I have a rolling pin that I use. So, there we have our crumbled graham cracker, or sand is what we're going to use it for. So we have that. And now, take 1 graham cracker using a spreader or a butter knife. I have a butter knife out. And we're going, let's see. One of my graham crackers is broken, so I'm going to get one out that is not broken. I think I'm going to do 4 graham crackers. You can do as many as you want. If you want to do them all or just 4. So, you're going to take the graham cracker, get some of our blue icing, and we're only going to do 3/4 of the graham cracker. So we're going to leave a top part with no icing up here. So that looks like sand. Just spread it upward or downward, whatever's easiest for you. Kind of make it zigzag on the top so you look like you got waves. I'm going to go ahead and do all 4 of these. I hope you have somebody at home to share these with. That's a lot of graham crackers. Share it with your mom and dad or your siblings. Gotta make it look like the ocean. One more. Okay, our next step is place the frosting graham cracker into the bowl and cover. Okay, we need our crumbled sand, and you can take a spoon and just do the bottom of the graham crackers, or if you have them in a bowl, you could just take the graham cracker and dip it in there, but I'm just going to take my fingers and do a little bit on the bottom, make the sand. So there's your crumbled graham cracker or your sand. So then we're going to get our goldfish, and we're going to put 2 goldfish on each cracker. Well, Mrs. L can get the bag open. So you guys put your fish wherever you want on them. Just kind of push it down a little bit so they stick. Oops, well that one's going to dive down. There we have all our goldfish on there. And next it says to take 2 of your sprinkles, white ones, to make air bubbles by the fish. So it's kind of hard to pick out white ones, but we'll see. Probably be easier if you put this on in a bowl so you could reach in and get white ones out. Whoops. I think we need a little bit bigger sprinkles. I just got it icing. That one didn't land very good. You want to put the sprinkle above it because the bubbles go up, don't they, when you breed, when the fish breed? This fish, he's a little crooked. One more here, one more. And then your optional is to make a crab. I don't know, maybe you could just pick out some red ones, or the green is for your seaweed, and the red you can make a crab out of there. But our sprinkles aren't very long here. Just put a little in there. And then your crab, you're going to make like legs. I think I would put like just 3 or 4 to make its body, and then try to find, oops, there, I lost my sprinkle, and the longer red sprinkle for its legs. So try to pick out red. So I'm going to bunch the red ones together, and then I'm going to try to make legs for it. So find the long red sprinkle. Need to find a couple more long red ones. It's hard to put them on there. You guys are probably better at this to make a crab. Oop, that one broke. That's as close as I can get to a crab, guys. So, how do you like your sea graham crackers? They should be yummy. I would probably let them sit for a little bit and dry, and then you can eat them later. I will see you guys soon. Bye.